Okay, hello everybody. This is Wafa Aludaini, Gaza-based journalist, and today I'm reporting to you to Palestine Chronicle TV from the besieged Gaza Strip. So as you can see here, the Ministry of Agriculture here in Gaza announced the beginning of olive harvest season here in Gaza. So we are gonna show you part of this celebration and part of this festival that is going on at the moment. And as you can see here, so we are gonna show you part of this celebration. So as you can see here, they enjoy their time so much because really it's a Palestinian wedding. بس طعمه كتير زاكي
كتير عشان كده بعمله. عشان كده بعمله.
Yeah, it's a tiring work indeed, but it's really so tasty and so yummy, and I advise everybody to
لكن
taste
راح
it.
اعمله كمان راح اعمله
إن شاء الله.